seen a lot of Memons having a deep connection with Ashraf Waliullah. Anything special? And this is one of the brothers of one of the family members of Sheikh Usman Waliullah. My dear viewers, anyone who would like to visit this place from abroad, they can come to Beruwale Ketchimala. This is a surrounding where the tsunami destroyed most of the parts of the mosque, outer part of it, and even the water had gone beyond the mosque, but the water has not, alhamdulillah, touched any part of the mosque. This particular masjid of Ashraf Waliullah, it has a madrasa as well. It also has some shuyukh, the Ketchimala shuyukh, they live here. There are a couple of graves outside the mosque, and also the main grave of Sheikh Ashraf Waliullah is here. Hafiz Ehsan, I have seen whenever I go here, always the Memon brothers, they would always say their salams. And I have seen the Memons have a special connection with Ashraf Waliullah. They love them a lot. They love all the awliyas a lot, but I can see a connection, a very strong connection with Ashraf Waliullah. Any thoughts on this, Hafiz Ehsan, since the picture is here?
Yeah, as far as I remember, there was a scholar who was doing imamat in Memon Hanafi Masjid somewhere in 1963 for about 7 or 8 years. So since 1962 or 1963, he was doing imamat at Memon Hanafi Masjid. His name is Ustazul Ulama Qari Mahbub Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Alayhi, who was actually born in Bareilly Sharif. He had seen Ala Hazrat when he was about 7 or 8 years age, and later he went to Pakistan after the partition. So I met that scholar. He was an imam here. Of course, at that time I was not born, but after that he used to visit Sri Lanka, and we had several meetings with him. Alhamdulillah, I was a child in front of him, and he is one of the person who scolded me when I was going to Tablighi Jamaat. He said in such a manner after one of our scholar who was the Imam of Memon Hanafi Masjid at that time, and Qari Mahbub Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Alayhi had come to visit Sri Lanka during that time. So that scholar took me to Hazrat, saying that I have explained him about the deviancy of the Deobandism, but this child who is about 17 years old, he is going to Tablighi Jamaat, 14 years old I was. He said that he is going to Tablighi Jamaat 14 or 15 years old. So Hazrat, you also explain him. I have already explained him. So Qari Mahbub Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Alayhi, he gave me only 2 sentences. Before him, the scholar had already explained me the reality of the Tablighi Jamaat, the Imam. But Qari Sahab gave me only 2 sentences. Tabligh mein mat jao, nahi samajhte to Jahannam mein jao. Don't go to Tabligh Jamaat, which will lead you towards the deviancy. If you do not listen, then go to the hellfire. Only 2 terms. Tabligh mein mat jao, nahi samajhte to Jahannam mein jao. Don't go to Tabligh Jamaat. If not, you will end up going to hellfire. So after that only, alhamdulillah, I left this Jamaat, and alhamdulillah, I realized the beliefs of the Deobandis. So that scholar, Qari Mahbub Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Alayhi, he had informed the people of Sri Lanka, especially the Memons, because he was doing imamat at Memon Hanafi Masjid. He said that in the books of history about Sheikh Ashraf Waliullah Rahmatullahi Alayhi, an incident is recorded that when he came, there were about 7 people, and there was an elephant there, and they had nothing to eat. And what happened was, like, they had nothing to eat. And in light of the hadith, we find that if you don't find anything, you are supposed to eat a thing which is haram in order to protect your life. But there were some other people who ate the meat of the elephant. And it did not harm this sheikh because he was a wali of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, and he had not consumed the meat of the elephant. So this type of incident was recorded, and his karamat were mentioned in the books of history. So by listening to that, alhamdulillah, I think that our Memons are mostly inclined towards that Mazar Sharif. And also I have heard from some of the prominent members of our community that many of their wishes had instantly accepted by the wasila of Sheikh Ashraf Waliullah Rahmatullahi Alayhi in the court of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala.
Jazakumullah khair. That clarifies a big question about about the Memon community.